In this video, I'm going to show you how to summon V in Once Human. So V is that red bird, and that's how you summon it. Wherever you are in the world, you want to hold down your tab key on your keyboard, and then kinda pan your mouse or direct your mouse towards that button where it says Summon V. And then once you release it, as you can see, the V has been summoned in front of you. Now you can interact with it by pressing F, and in here, you can either view your commissions, you can leave. As you can see, you can view commissions, open Wikipedia, open Season Shop, or leave. So inside commissions, you can see different tasks you can do for a lot of stuff. Now, if you open up Wikipedia, it will open up Wikipedia where you can see everything about the game you need. And then you can also open the Season Shop and you can buy different items in here. And lastly, you can press leave to leave. And then if you want to kinda make him disappear, just hold down your tab key again and click summon V yet again, and as you can see, it disappeared. Now you don't have to do this, you can just walk away and he'll disappear automatically after some time. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.